Hi, I'm Gilles Legault, and here today to review a question that I had from an installer just lately. I was working on a design for radiant floors within a residence, and these floors were being supplied by a wood burning boiler. Now, the boiler being detached from the house needed to be protected from freezing. And of course, to be able to do that, we needed 50% glycol solution in the supply lines and the boiler. Now, the floor itself, 100% water, was okay. That was the design that we had decided to utilize. So all of this exchange was being done through brace plate exchanger. Now, the wood stove manufacturer asked us to have a look at a design where we would not be using an exchanger. Now, all of that seems okay, but if we have a look specifically at what happens to the system, well, it could create a problem. And here is what I'm looking at. Here is an example of a zone, let's say a 3,000 square foot zone needing 60,000 BTUs. Well, that could be done through 10 circuits of half-inch PEX PERT 300 footers. Now, if I was to use 100% water, okay, what would I have? Well, I would need 6 GPMs for the floors, or zero point 0.6 GPMs per circuit. The flow would be turbulent, so I would need a circulator that could develop 4.4 feet of head. That is fine. But if I go to 50% glycol solution, then I will need 6.9 GPMs or 0.7 GPMs per circuit. That seems to be a minor change in the system, but the major one is that now I've got a laminar flow instead of that turbulent that I used to have with the water. Now, the flow being laminar creates an inefficiency between the exchange of the pipe itself and the floor. So it is best to have a turbulent flow. And to get that turbulent flow, well, in that same floor, I have now to go to 2.4 GPMs per circuit. That is a major impact because we will need now a circulator to develop 80 feet of head. Well, if all of you know, that type of a circulator is difficult to find on the market. So changes would have to be done to the design, either the diameter of the pipe or the amount of circuits in the floor and so on. So listen, any changes within a system does have an impact on it. So when we do any changes, let's make sure that we understand the fluid dynamics that will be changing. That being said, listen, thank you for listening. And I will be doing more of these videos. So if any of you have issues that you would like me to discuss, feel free to send me an email. And for any of your designing or training needs, again, feel free to contact me. Thank you.